Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you excel on your MacBook with easy methods. First, ensure you have Microsoft Excel installed, either from the App Store or a Microsoft 365 subscription. Once installed, open the application and sign in with your Microsoft account to access all features. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top, which organizes all your essential tools. Now let's get your data in. Simply click a cell and type your information, then press Return. To make your data readable, use the formatting options on the Home tab. You can bold text, change colors, and easily adjust column widths. Remember to apply appropriate number formats, like currency for financial figures or percentages for rates. Formulas are where Excel truly shines. Always begin a formula with an equal sign. For example, equals sum parentheses a 1 colon a 10 parentheses. Utilize essential functions like sum for totals, average for means, and count for entries. You can easily copy formulas across cells by dragging the small square at the bottom right of the cell. Visualizing your data makes it much easier to understand. Select the data you want to chart, then go to the Insert tab and choose your preferred chart type, like a bar or pie chart. You can then customize the chart's appearance, including titles, axis labels, and colors, to make your presentation impactful and clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.